are you there? Looks like Ms. Jones is in.
Good afternoon, Ms. Jones. Ms. Jones, can you hear us?
Ms. Jones? I'm sorry.
I'm gonna send her a chat message. She's shaking her head no.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, we can hear you. There you go. You got it.
Okay, I'm sorry about that.
That's fine. Good afternoon, Ms. Jones.
Good afternoon.
So you're here. This is a traffic arraignment. My understanding is you've already paid your ticket, but you wanted to come into court today. Now tell me what's the
Yes,
reason.
sir.
Okay, what were you wanting to do?
I was just wanted to make sure that everything was good on my end. Like, I paid my ticket, even though I received the letter in the mail. I just want to make sure everything is good. You guys see my face. And
Lisa,
you know
what kind
that
of
I
ticket does she
paid, so I
have?
don't, I have let me grab it right
ticket was
there.
it?
Following too closely.
Okay.
I have a citation for following too close.
Okay, so Ms. Jones, you're good on our end. You paid the ticket. If you want to, if you haven't pled nolo to any moving violations in the last 5 years, when the judge comes on, you can change your plea to nolo if you would like to. That's up to you. You can do that once every 5 years, and the Department of Driver Services won't give you points. But once you use it, then you can't use it again for 5 years on moving violations. Okay. So I don't know if you have or not. If you haven't, we kind of have to take you at your word for it, but that's one option that you have available to you. Otherwise, if you want to keep your plea as guilty, you can just do that. You've already paid, so that'll happen today if you want to do that.
Well, I haven't had anything besides this, so I guess I would like to use my note.
Want to use your nolo? That's fine.
Yeah.
We have these fancy terms in the legal community that, they don't have great meanings, but they just sound very fancy. So
That's right. Hey.
It's a no contest plea, so it means that you're not contesting a ticket, but you're not admitting guilt. So the fine is the same. The only difference is you don't get points for Department of Driver Services.
Okay.
That sound good to you?
That sounds good. Yes,
okay,
sir.
so our Judge Cowan will be signing on any minute here. When she comes on, we can talk to her and let her know, and then we'll get you out of here, okay?
All right, sounds good. Thank you.
So just hang tight, and she'll be on in a minute.
Okay.
Sorry, I had to mute so I could drink some water.
Oh, I just drank mine.
I've been on a bad streak on Zoom of like doing random things. So like yesterday, the computers we use are touchscreen, and I was eating my lunch. I was listening to court, but I didn't have anything to do, so I was just listening, and I had my screen muted. Well, I turn around and hit the screen, and it unmutes while I'm like
Eating your sandwich.
throwing down my lunch, and everybody just starts laughing. I don't think Judge Cowan saw me, but I just hurried up and muted it real quick. I had like ranch sauce all over my face. It was just,
Oh, no.
yeah, so. And then 2 days ago, I was talking to my investigator, and probably saying some words that I wouldn't say if I knew that my audio was unmuted and my judge was listening.
Oh, no.
Oh yeah, it was
And she heard that.
yeah, she did. So I had to apologize and figure this Zoom stuff out, because I like knocked a big bucket of files off my desk and there were papers everywhere. And I'm going crazy in the office, and I didn't realize that I wasn't on mute.
Oh, God.
So
Oh, me.
those bins of files, man, when you knock them over, it's frustrating.
Yeah, it is. What cracks me up is people that are, on Zoom having court and they're talking on their phone while they're in their car.
Oh, yeah. We've had a few of those where folks have been in like traffic accidents, or like, the hands-free law is out now. So we have a lot of those. And then folks are like on their phone talking to who's driving, and it's like, well, you can't do that. So
Judge is
pull
like,
over.
you need to pull over.
We had one guy pull over. He had like a hands-free violation and a seatbelt ticket. And it's like, pull over, put the phone down, put your seatbelt on. This is why you have tickets here.
Yeah.
I'm looking forward to getting back to regular court though, but they keep extending everything. So
Yeah, they do. I don't see us having regular court for a while.
that's
I
what
don't see it
everybody
happening
said.
until summer.
Judge
spring or
Cowan
summer.
said 2022 potentially.
I mean, the way the numbers are going up, we're
Yeah,
not going to hold court. What would be the point of us not holding court all this time if the numbers are worse now than they were?
that's very true. Well, and then the other problem is, if we're going to have court, that includes juries. So to have grand juries, and the jury room is packed with 400 or 500 people at a time, who knows, we aren't going to do that forever. So they just had a new order come out extending everything through
January 8th or something, January 10th.
Mm-hmm. So, here we are.
Yeah. It's been almost a year.
That's just crazy to think about.
It really is.
Because we were
And
trying cases in front of Judge Cowan every month, like multiple cases every month.
Yeah.
And to think we hadn't had a trial since February is crazy.
It is. Very crazy. Let me see if Judge is on Jabber. She didn't forget.
No.
Uh-huh.
Hello there.
Hi.
Hi, I'm Judge
Hey, Judge.
Cowan. Hey, Mr. Williams. Miss Jones, you, I guess, had paid a prepaid on a traffic ticket, but did you want to appear today to enter a plea of guilty, nolo, or not guilty?
Yes, ma'am. Nolo.
Okay. And Ms. Smith, I don't have your other email in front of me. You had already sent me her ticket number.
It's 2020 TK 12635. Ashley Jones.
Right. Okay, Ms. Jones. Mr. Williams, state okay with a nolo here?
We are, Your Honor. I spoke with Ms. Jones before Your Honor signed on, and she told me, and that's fine. I'm fine with it.
Okay, great. Ms. Jones, I'll accept your nolo plea. I'll go ahead and enter that into the computer. Whatever you've already paid is all that you have to pay. You certainly don't have to pay any additional funds. And that nolo then is what will get reported to DDS and should be later this afternoon or tomorrow sometime that it's reported. Now, how quickly DDS then has it appear on your driving history is up to them. I don't know how they're functioning right now, but
Yes, ma'am.
that's what we'll show, and hopefully that'll save you from getting points at least if it's a moving offense.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Any questions?
No. Thank you, guys.
Thank
Have a good day,
you.
Ms. Jones.
Thank you. Take care now.
You too.
Bye.
Bye. Was that everyone we anticipated, Ms. Smith?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Y'all have a great day.
Okay,
Y'all have
you
a good
too.
day.
Bye.
Bye.
See y'all.